This is the 21-piece complete bread proofing kit, and the brand sent this to me so I can test out and review. And oh my gosh, I am so glad that they did, because this kit really does have a lot. This kit also includes items that would have made the process of my sourdough journey easier. We've got a sour bread dough recipe book, and in it, I'm so impressed with this. In this, it actually has directions on how to create your at-home own sourdough starter from flour and water. So that was pretty awesome to see in here. And then it does include 8 different sourdough bread recipes. The kit itself, we've got the 9-inch round rattan proofing basket, along with the cover. And so it's so nice that it has everything right there for you. And it's got the 10-inch oval rattan basket, proofing basket with cover. And then, so in this box is the bread lame. And then there's 5 blades in here. They're very sharp. And once you attach the razor to the bread lame, this is the cover that goes over the blade part. There is a brush to, clean out the rattan. We've got the, dough scraper. We've got a silicone pastry brush for, adding items like butter or honey. And then we have a kind of stiffer spatula. And on the spatula, it actually has like this flexible tip. So it's really neat. I don't know the technical name for this, but you put in, like your flour. So then that way you can dust it. So this is a silicone sling. And so how you use this is you actually put your dough on the silicone sling, and then you can actually just lower that into your Dutch oven. And then we've got the dough whisk. We've got the dough cutter. So this is really awesome tool to have. This is also really neat because it's got, if you see here, measurements in centimeters. And then we have the sourdough starter jar. I'm so excited about that. So that way I can actually use that instead of these mason jars. It's really neat because, it's got measurements in milliliters over here. It's got a stick-on thermometer. So you can just take off the back and you stick it on. And then we've also got, the top. And then, it's got this last fed on line on here. And it comes with handy dandy elastic band that selects the day and time. How awesome is that? Last but not least, there are bread bags and stickers. I had no idea how much I would have wanted to have bread bags when I first started. So I am so impressed with this kit, and I am so unbelievably happy that the brand sent this to me, to do the review, because I can't rave enough about this kit.